Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change the language on your Android device. So let's get started. On the home page of your Android, open your Settings app. By opening the Settings application on a new page, look for the Additional Settings option in the drop-down menu and click on it. By clicking on the Additional Settings option, also in the drop-down menu, go down to the Language and Input option and click on it. At the top of the screen, you will see Languages. Tap it to open a list of languages currently set on your device. Here you can see the current language set for your device. If you want to change the language, all you have to do is search for your language in the drop-down menu and select it. By selecting the language, the application will open a small window where it will ask for your confirmation to change the language in the entire system. If you agree, then click on the OK option. Now your device will display the text in the new language you set as your primary language. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can change the language on your Android device to whatever you want. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.